Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you some shoulder training advice. If you're always hurting your shoulder, don't be that guy that reaches for the lacrosse ball. The real issue is that your shoulders are too weak to be doing the training that you're doing, and you need to address that by doing more high volume banded work with a light resistance. That's going to build up your shoulder endurance so that you can cope with bigger sets, heavier weights, and more advanced body weight movements. Okay, so that is the real stuff that you need to be working on to build a stronger set of shoulders rather than just masking pain and symptoms, because they will keep coming back and you will turn into that guy that always needs to do that. Okay, add this into your warm-ups and your cool-downs with the band and make everything just feel pumped up as often as possible. Sets of 50, sets of 100, or just set a timer for a full 5 minutes and just get the burn. Okay, so that will be far more beneficial to you long term rather than hiding and masking symptoms. Okay guys?